Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Mining Blocks. Now they've just added a new update to their system which could boost your account very nicely. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are at the Mining Blocks website. If we drop into our account, so this is my account. The nice thing is currently Mining Blocks have got a couple of events going on. So you've got the offer wall event, so that means you're getting a 50% additional reward on offer walls and short links right up until the 24th of this month. And then you've also got an exchange event on blocks, so you get 20% additional when you exchange your crypto for blocks, and that's also going up to the 24th of September. So obviously they're two nice little events, which I have to say, you know, I do commend Mining Blocks for this, because they do regularly run these little events which obviously help you know, build your account, and you get a bit more sort of value for the time that you put into the site. So obviously that is absolutely brilliant. Right, anyway, so the last time we were in here was 2 weeks ago. So let's quickly run through the numbers. So 2 weeks ago, our H power was 197.4. You can now see that we are at 213.4 gigahashes. So that's a nice jump there. Obviously, I'll show you how I've done that in a bit. We were at level 45. We're now into level 46, on our way to level 47. And our bonus 2 weeks ago was 13.5%, and now you can see it's 18.5%, but we've only moved up one level. Now, how is that possible? That is possible due to this new update that we're going to be discussing here in the video. So basically, Mining Blocks have added a update to the site which is called the card system. Now, I really like this, but you got to be careful. You got to sort of think about what you're doing rather than just diving in and sort of going, right, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this and do this, and then suddenly you're like, oh, hang on. So before we really get into talking about this system, all I will say is basically we're going to go through it step by step, but make sure you watch all of it. Because if you don't watch all of it, you could miss out on an important part of information, which then could end up leave you in a situation you're not happy about. But that, if you obviously don't watch all the information and then you do something wrong or something that you didn't want to do, well, that's sort of your fault because you didn't watch all the video. So just make sure you're watching all the information. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Mining Blocks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. That's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so firstly, how have I boosted my my account since 2 weeks ago? If we go into our inventory and we scroll down, ooh, here. So in the last video I talked about, I think I talked about in the last video that I got one of these skull miners, but it was the old version. So basically the old version only gave you something like a starting point of 1.2 gig hash, which I think because of basically what they represent. I don't think a lot of people were very happy about it. So then they released a second version of the School Miner, which then give you a starting point of 5.5 gigahash. You can see I've got 3 of those, which is basically what has boosted my gigahash and sort of obviously is pushing up my account. So that is basically how I've done that. Now we're going to talk about this percentage and we're going to look at the card system. So basically here, Mining Blocks update yesterday at 8:15 their time, not our time but their time. So it is the 12th of September today. So this update was posted yesterday, so that would have been the 11th of September, and then the actual system was to be released today. For me, I saw it very, very late last night, but obviously that's due to different time zones. Okay, so what are the changes? So firstly, the addition of the important cards collection system, which is what we're going to be looking at. And then also as well, all miners have now a size of 2.2. Basically, obviously that's the graphic size, I'm assuming. So basically when you look at them, they're all basically the same size. That's it. Okay, so the card system. So here we go. How does the card system work? So how does it work? It will add, so basically add miners to your collection. You can add miners to your collection. In exchange, you will get mining power boost. Note, all miners added to your collection will be lost. Now that is really important. This means you won't be able to use them anymore. So select wisely, which is what I was talking about. One of the things I'm talking about, you've got to be aware of. So basically what you'll do is you'll add your miners to the collection. So they will always remain in the collection, and then they will give you a bonus boost to your mining. But basically they are then removed from your inventory. So you can't sell them. You can't do anything else with them. Once you've added them to your collection, that's it. Yes, you've gained the bonus from them, but you can't do anything else with them. Because like I say, they then get removed from your inventory. So, but we'll get into this. And it, like I say, for me, if you do this correctly, it is a great benefit and a great way of boosting your account. Okay, so where can I perform such actions? So basically, how do you select what miners get converted to your card system? So it says here, you can convert your miners into cards from your inventory. You will see a new button that will allow you to convert your miners into cards. Now, the button is only visible on miners that you do not have equipped or miners that you do not have running. So if you go into your inventory and you're looking for the card button, if all your miners are running, you will not see the button because the button shows up on the individual miners. So if we go into our account, so if we go into here, inventory, and then we scroll down. So you can see here, this is just an example. Obviously, this is my starter miner, and it's currently equipped, so it's currently running. If we click unequip, and then scroll back down, you'll see here, convert in card. So that should be convert sort of to the card system. That is basically what it's saying, and that's what you would do. You would click that to, but like I say, if it's equipped, you can't see it. There again, see, it's disappeared. So you have to be aware of that. I'm half expecting the developers and the mods begin a lot of posts on the Discord and stuff like that saying, I can't find the convert button. Where is the convert button? That's why I'm showing it you, because it's only going to be visible through if your miner is unequipped. Okay, so part 3. So no, that's part 3 that we've just done. So here, where can I see my collection? You can find that option below the My Ads option in, I don't know, it's either I'm reading this badly or I'm very sorry. You can find that option below My Ads. The option was named My Cards. There you will find all obtained cards and ones that you haven't obtained yet. Also, there is displayed the bonus that you will earn from each card. So if we go here, and then you see in the ads, you see where it says My Cards. You click on that. And then here you can see these are all the ones that I've not obtained. These are the ones I've converted. So I converted a Hell Miner. I got a 1.5 bonus from that. I converted a Rabbit Miner. I got 1.5 bonus from that. And my Bone Miner, a 1.5 bonus from that. Now, basically, if you go through this, a lot of, like, you've got obviously some are not even worth 1%. Some are worth, you know, but you can go through them all. I mean, if you've got a legend, that's 5% bonus. That is a 5% bonus that would be added to your mining power. You've got the Easter miners, that's a 1%. Various other ones, and you just keep going through. And obviously, you got the purple, a small purple miner is 1. You've got a skull miner like mine, which is worth 2. But the thing is, this is what you've got to do. You've got to work it out, because my skull miners are worth 5.5 gigahash, but they're going to give me a 2% bonus. Say I converted one. So what you need to do is you need to look at your bonus here and your power, and then you got to kind of work out, right, if I remove 5.5 gigahash from my power here and then add 2% here, is that really what you're looking for? Is it to be more? That's what you want. So basically, like I say, you would, if we were doing the skull miner, you would lose 5.5 gigahashes here. Then when you add it to the card system, it is going to add a 2%. But you really, what you're looking for is that 2%, adding that 2% here, is going to equate to either equal or more power. That's really what you want to do. You don't want to be converting miners that are essentially going to be lowering your power. That is how I basically worked out the 3 I've converted so far. But you know, like I say, you can you know, all the miners are basically here. There's miners in here that I don't have. You know, I mean, I sold, I think I sold one of these, and I sold 2 of these, and I think I sold one of them, which obviously I could have converted all to the card system had I realized this was coming, rather than sell them. But I sold them, I got the block for them. So, you know, at the end of the day, I was happy with what I got for them. So, you know, it's like, I don't feel I've lost out, but at the same time, I could have added more to the card system, up in that percentage, because I was going to get rid of them anyway. But the only thing you might find is that now miners that are basically worth not really a lot are suddenly going to start upping in the market, because people are going to start wanting to buy them, like the poor miner and other miners that are not very, that most people are selling. They're suddenly going to realize, hang on, people are going to want to buy these for the bonus system, so the price is going to start creeping up. So I'd say with a lot of these lower miners, if you want to get them to add the bonus, then I would say you need to get them quickly. Okay, so final part. Where do you see your bonus, your total bonus? Your card bonus will be added to in your power. That is displayed in your dashboard below the experience. So basically that is this here, which I pointed out to at the beginning, and it does say level bonus power plus card bonus. So basically that is how the system works. I really like it because it sort of like brings a slight element of roller coin, in the sense of that you're getting extra from the miners. But the thing is with this system, unlike roller coin, because with roller coin obviously you get the bonus with the miner and you still keep the power from the miner. This one, you've got to be you've got to be a bit strategic about it. You know, there's no point unless you've got loads of spare miners and you can afford to remove one from each. You know, like I say, you've got to be a bit more strategic as to the miners that you want to convert, because like I say, once you convert them, that you lose the power. Yes, you gain the bonus percentage, but you lose the actual power, and also you lose the ability to sell them later because they are added to the card system. Obviously you can only add, as far as I know, I'm assuming you can only add one of each miner to the card system. You can't just stack them, but I actually like it as an update. I think it's a very creative update. I think it just shows that this update that they've sort of thought about a bit more, that they've added a different element to the site, and I think it's great. And like I say, I will always commend any website that is constantly updating their site and improving things for their members, which I think this does, and Mining Blocks tends to anyway, whenever they do anything. So, you know, obviously massive kudos to them. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful, informative and fun. If you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.